Hey, what's up, everyone? Ever wondered if robots are coming for your future job? Let's find out which jobs AI might snatch up. Ready? Let's go. First up, data entry clerks. Imagine a robot typing faster than you can blink. Yeah, bye-bye boring data entry. Telemarketers? More like tele no thanks. AI can make those annoying calls and get rejected in record time. Customer service reps. Chatbots are taking over. And they don't need coffee breaks. Assembly line workers. Robots in factories working. Like they're in a dance-off. Smooth moves. Even some admin roles. AI can schedule and organize like a pro. No more forgetting your homework deadlines. But hey, don't panic. While AI might take over some jobs, it's also creating new, exciting opportunities. Get ready to adapt and thrive. Stay tuned for more awesome tips. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.